Good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday, everyone. It's Eric here on this Sunday morning. Another weekend weather update for you should you have outdoor plans today. Prepare for a very, very July-like day across the valley. Things are quiet weather-wise this morning. It is warm, it is muggy, but we have dry weather, and I suspect we're going to have dry weather for a lot of the day today. I'll show you the thunderstorm outlook in just a second, but temperature-wise, it's pushing 9 o'clock in the morning. It's already in the lower 70s, so you know it's going to be a toasty afternoon. It's also pretty muggy with dew points in the upper 50s and lower 60s across the valley this morning. Now, the National Weather Service does have a wind advisory out from roughly I-71 on Weston, Ohio this morning. This wind advisory includes Cleveland, it includes Columbus. We are not included in it. I'm not going to be totally shocked if they expand this a little bit farther to the east today. I do think that we have the potential today to see some wind gusts, especially during the second half of the afternoon. Some wind gusts of 40 to maybe 45 miles per hour, borderline wind advisory criteria, but could be kind of impactful for those who have outdoor plans. Second half of the day today, it's going to be hot, it's going to be humid, but it's also going to be fairly windy as well. I want to talk about the thunderstorm outlook today. I think we're largely dry today. Kind of a weird looking severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center today, with two lobes of severe weather concerns today. One east of I-79 across central PA up into the southern tier of New York. The other is to our west from Toledo and roughly I-75 on west into Indiana up into Michigan. We're kind of in the squeeze play in between, and I suspect we are largely dry today. Can't totally rule out a shower or a renegade thunderstorm this afternoon, but much like yesterday, it's like a 10 to 20% chance kind of a thing. Don't alter your outdoor plans because of that low end risk. If you're really unlucky, you'll get under a quick shower or a thunder shower this afternoon. I think we're largely dry across our area today. What I want to do is take off this data and talk a little bit about the temperatures today. We have 85 in our forecast today. I'm not going to be totally shocked if we overachieve a little bit today, thanks to the gusty winds. And the strong mixing of the atmosphere for this afternoon. Let me actually bring up our short-range model here and go forward to this afternoon and show you, it's printing out some 86s and close to 87s in some places this afternoon. In a few spots, especially the lower lying valleys. This is the kind of day where the temperature might try to overachieve a little bit. So it's going to be, again, pretty summer-like and a little more humid than it was yesterday afternoon as well, with those dew points mostly in the lower 60s. All right, hope you have a great Sunday, everyone. Stay cool out there. Again, it's going to be a July-like day, and Chris Serinelli this morning and Ramel Carpenter, they are your weekend warriors in the Weather Center. They'll have you updated. Make sure you're following both of them on social media. I'll see you on Monday.